In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete search history in Pinterest. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's get started, and first off, open up Pinterest app, then head over to search. To do that, hit at that magnifier glass icon, and that will bring us search. We can tap on it and it will show all your search history. If you want to remove some particular search request, you can just hit at that cross icon next to that request to immediately remove it from your search history. Also, you can bulk delete your Pinterest search history. To do that, hit at your profile picture, then three dots at the top right corner, then settings and privacy and data. And that's where you should scroll down to the very bottom, and right there you can easily find clear app cache. You can just tap on it, and that will clear all the app cache, including your search history. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.